Bityard is the world's leading cryptocurrency contracts exchange. It is registered in Singapore, and the aim of the Bityard is to provide the safe, easy and fast crypto asset trading services in more than 150 countries. And in this video I will elaborate all the things about Bityard exchange and also about trading.
Oh my god! Wow!
Feel uninvited.
At this time, Bityard exchange is giving away 258 USDT to every user. You just have to sign up on the exchange, and then you have to do these type of steps, like you have to trade on this exchange, and then you have to complete your KYC. And here you can see you will get up to 188 USDT if you are going to trade more than $1 million. So it's a great thing about this exchange. But if you don't have as much money, simply if you are a simple influencer, you are going to write any type of blog, you are going to make any type of video, you will earn number of money with the help of the Bityard exchange. Simply you have to sign up on the exchange, and then you will get your own referral link, and you can use the referral link with any of your friend, and when your friend is going to trade on this exchange, you will get some good money. Now the best part, and also about the aim of the Bityard exchange. Basically the Bityard adheres to the product concept of the complex contract simple trade and aims to bring the ultimate simplified trading experience to the customers. Number of coins and tokens are available on the Bityard exchange, so you can easily trade all these assets on the exchange. And the best part, which I love the most in any exchange, you can check the 24 hours data. It means you will check each and everything, especially that the coin is going up 24 hours. In the last 24 hours, basically the coin and the token goes up or down. And here you can see the option of the referral link. Simply you can sign up first of all, and then you will be able to use your own referral link, and you will make number of money, plenty of money. Now I am going to make some good money with the help of Bityard exchange. Simply I am going to share the referral link in the description section, and whenever any of you is going to sign up. And the best part about the trading, you have multiple options, so you can trade with any type of asset. And here you can see the best part, all the social media is available, so you can directly message the team, and the team is going to answer each and every question of yours. Now the next part, how you can deposit on the Bityard exchange. It is entirely very easy. All the options are available on the Bityard exchange. Here you can see when I am going to deposit USDT, I have the option of TRC20, ERC20 and also the Omni one, the oldest one. So the best part, simply you can deposit your assets to the Bityard exchange, and you can start the trading directly without doing anything else. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. Now the best part about the different type of bonuses at this time which Bityard is offering to their customers. Bityard platform can be used by anyone who wants to create and manage the tokens, as well as everyone who has a cryptocurrency and who would like to exchange it. And here you can see another option, that is a mining. Whenever you are going to sign up on the Bityard exchange, the team is going to, or you can say the exchange is going to give you the free tokens up to 6 BYD tokens, but you will obtain and you will get up to 16 BYD tokens very easily. Simply sign up and use your own referral link. Then you have the chance to mine those tokens, and you will get some more coins. So it's your time to grab the opportunity. Here you can see early the bird rewards are about 10.24 million, and also at this time the team is giving you 258 USDT if you are going to sign up and you are going to trade on the Bityard exchange. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, because this exchange will be huge in future. Thanks a lot.